program makha zatze
अखोइना पामजबदी खुंगंगसी चाखोटहनबा खुंगंगी नुपीसिंगसी मसागी वैबा पॉकेट मनी पाइबा ngamba ngamannaba kari toksige na अखोइना खनरगा लेकाइसिदा उ थारसी हाइना इहाना ना अखोइना खनरे उ सिदा variety of fruits seasonal like हाइखागी सीजन लोइरगा मथंगदा करी adegi chorphon gi loihaga mathangda kari hai so like that rotation tawraga laksang khong haiba mafam sidegi samna haibada so phone maktada bora kunthra puthore hairagadi achar semamina lograni and you will have an income nupi miyam gi income am lairani somai tawna seasonal fruits se watanabagi aina forest department da request tawraga ayambana food bearing fruit sample sing si pv oina aine request tawjabani ado pirakpasu mali adegi yongchak yam pirakre yongchak ke season da yongchak bora nifu yangai puthoradi people will understand people will know what lapsang khong is where is this lapsang khong aina thinarani adegi lapsang khong gi yongchak di adoke mani hawbani ne habada mi punamakse lapsang khong da loina laga lairani ado di lapsang khong se at any cost sakhalani sigi pandamsi mangda focus tawraga tawjarako potni adona aingonda habibada hojiki lawgi matamnina mayamsi law kumnai naha mau naha singse ayamana law kumbasali aduiduna tang wat ka dawa malena then I suggested nupimsa singse kumbra class 9 10 11 tamma kangu me moi kumde hai adudi moi loi muthopiro moi thalasi moi culture tahulasi upami se tharaga isa gi ming se napam doine ba hayeng sahi manga tara lairaba matungda ai gi generation after generation na akhoi imana tharambo uni akhoi ibokna tharambo uni akhoi chena tharambo uni haibase sigi indication am laidorabne ba adiduna this is the first input akhoi QR tawraga isa gi ming se pambi se de thelamaga Hamamadong na kay gumo upambi si sige ba taragadi laibag thidana sanna sato kiba taragadi you have to culture it isa na kitang protection bibiraga sathok jasin tawbada aina tharmo udu hingi bro krai mo yorge na so far ai isa na tharamba si tabung khokte ihan hali ai bukul pambi ama tharambani laibag na bhari sum nong ya phasana chubi badege ai gi bukul pambi si ya wange that was in the month of May thadani kuidribani ihan hana aida khanbada khulang khangsi khoi keno da tabung kokta kok thokre aina di ai gi thamoi da gi laksang hungsin se yam kokningba ado aina hairu khudimata khoi di sanjawong leite khoi di sanpulli aduduna upai leiroi lau matamda smai tawni si chum se yam haiba but somehow member da aina wari sindijere treasurer of the welfare samananda delire madam adudi tawsina adudi am phabanina masigi potse tawsi akoi khunsida upami tana tharaga adoke mati development porokudu pami hadana moina showing on the habire another thing season lakpa matamda firewood akoi gi sing se mayam sing se chingda karaga kano tawbusu yawi aina ui adudasu hangi ba mafamdo da uji am thajalagadi it will be a rotation like rotate tawrani uji loiba na roiba hek loigi baga amam thajan ek loigi ba amam thaj adumai tawraga khungang ji sakholakna ba sungang ji paisa leina ba adugi mathakta imungda sunagi sak ising dang thongaga paisa thokdana leibagi mahuta product se pudokna bagi namakta ai isana initiate tawraga tawjaba siguma program ni adana ima event isingna laiba kamu loina makna isa gi use hingna bagi damakta culture tawbiyo she haraga I
areas adjoining to this village. Today it's really a great honor and privilege to launch the Ningol 1 Laushakung Ningol 1, and I would also like to thank Masap alumni for taking this initiative to a very great height. They have taken this initiative very proactively. They have taken up Ningol 1s in various areas in Imphal West, Imphal East, and today we are doing it in Laushakung. Ningol 1, it's really a great initiative. It talks about the immense strength that the women of Manipur have. If we see the history of Manipur, women have always been in the forefront in every sector, be it economy, be it history, be it every sector. So if you see history, we have experienced Nupilans in our state. In every Nupilan, there are 2 Nupilans in our state. In each Nupilan, women were at the forefront. They fought fearlessly. Against the colonial extortion, colonial suppression. So women led the state, women led the people's movement, and women were at the forefront. If you see other sectors also in the present era, if you see the economy of Manipur is led by women. We have EMA Cathals. We have the largest women-led market in Asia. So we should really be proud of the contribution that women of Manipur had made throughout the history, and presently the contribution made by women in economy, society, and various other sectors. So I really congratulate women folk. This Ningol 1 initiative brings the contribution that women have made towards the contribution that the society is making towards environment. So it links both environment conservation and the immense strength that the women folk carries in Manipur. So this initiative, it is widely acclaimed throughout the country, and it's really praised very well throughout the country. So let us take this initiative to great height. Today, it is not just about plantation. Today we'll be doing this plantation, but if we see, the area will be receiving direct sunlight. So it's not only about plantation, it comes with some responsibility. Each tree will be QR code tagged. So that tree will be owned by the women, the girls, the women, the Ningols who are going to plant it. So let us take responsibility. Whenever you are passing through this road, ensure that आप लोग उसको पानी डालेंगे. मतलब जो भी प्लांट आपने लगाया है, it will be your plant. So whenever you are passing through this road, ensure that you water that plant. You water that plant for 2 years. So once 2 years passes, it will come up to a good height, then it will survive properly. So let us ensure that each tree planted survives properly, each tree grows up well, it fruits, and it provides fruits and ecological benefits to our village.
program makasa to the 3D see a quick masi form to give sector and private sector ma'am the tabak kay start out na active ba ma'am na punjan na kay yung makana ba karadang di torom si habi akoy alam ni. In fact, I would say the brand style of program Ziamna my
Konong Kurunjari Aduga
On this plantation program,
Simbilang Biba Aduga
And Mrs. Shamananda.
Madam, so nung tiyang birok tayo. Madam, tiyang birok, oh. Sino?
Sing aying ba to pa ano dai singa yan sa to plastic man da Kaya na masuk na talaga
Pibaban natin yung